G'day folks. I thought I'd do a quick one today about shimming your hubs. Now I've put about 6 sets of packs through this thing, and what I found is it's typical amongst heaps of remote control cars. I'm finding that there's a fair bit of play as everything sort of beds in. So I've bought a bunch of shims after doing measurements, M8 by 10. So it's M8 inner diameter, 10mm outer diameter, and 0.3 of a millimeter thickness. 50 pieces, about $15 on eBay, no big deal. Now this is all just sort of nipped up slightly. So I'll take the grub screw out, I'll punch the pin out. Now the problem is when you get this sort of end float, not only does it affect handling, but it also, if you can see, the bearings tend to move around inside the hub. So sorry about the fingers. But yeah, your bearings move around and you end up with a lot of slop. Now I hate slop. It's just not necessary. As you can see, this thing has sealed bearings. This is the FSR Model TT that you're looking at. So I've decided I'm going to do something about it, because if you leave the end float, the bearings can move around and they can wear out the hub. I've had that on a previous RC. Now I've just tried shimming the front, and it only needed 2 shims. So what I'll do, I'll stick 2 on this one as well and see what happens if I can pick it up. Like, geez, seriously. Anyway, moving right along. So again, excuse the fingers. I'll try and get this in as best as I can. Now these little grub screws, they actually hold the fake disc rotors in position. So let's have a look, see if we can get it close. Push that back in. All right. Now I'll just nip this up. I do Loctite these. So as you can see, it still rotates all right, but no more infloat. So it looks like it's a 2 shim job, so 0.6 of a millimeter. And that should actually help handling as well as longevity in how long these hubs actually last. So anyway, just a quick one, thought I'd show it. I've done this with my XRT and X-Max and a whole bunch of other RCs. Handling does improve. Doesn't tend to wander around when you're driving, especially at high speed. But anyway, I thought I'd just share that and throw it on the channel, and someone might get something out of it. Anyway, have an awesome day. See you next time.